Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit videos in Canva using their built-in video editor step by step. Whether you are a beginner or you have never edited a video before, by the end of this tutorial you will know how to create, edit and export professional looking videos right inside Canva. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you just need to open Canva, and then you just need to start here. First, you just need to visit on canva.com, and you just need to log in your account. Like here you can see we are getting different kind of an interface, but when you will visit onto canva.com in newly, then you will get this kind of options, and then you just need to be click over here, start designing, and throughout the Google or Facebook email you can create your account. Once you did, then you will log into your dashboard. Then from that place you just need to be click create a design and choose video options. Once you did, then you can do your things. Like here I'm going to search for the video and I will get video template here, and you can click this create a blank video option. Just click this one and you will get your ratio of the video. So here actually you can see this is so much easy. Once you are chosen, Canva will open the video editor workspace. So here you can see it. Now you just need to be import your media. To start editing, you will need your video clips. On the left hand panel you will get this upload option. You just need to click over here, and you can see we have a couple of images uploaded in that place. So you just need to be upload your video file in here. So that for a reason you just need to be click over here, upload files, and from that place you just need to be choose your video. Let's say I choose this one. This is an audio. Yeah, you can see it, this is an audio, but I want to upload a video. So here you just need to be choose your video. Let's say I will go with that one, and maybe the video already been uploaded. Here you can see we have that video already been uploaded, so I'm going to work with that. So I will place it in here. So as you can see how easy the process was, you can also drag and drop file straight from your computer. Let me give you a pro tip, like Canva support MP4, MOV, and even GIF formats for editing. So now you just need to be add clips to timeline. Here you can see our video already been added into the timeline. So once your video are uploaded, you just need to drag them onto the timeline at the bottom. You can arrange them in the order you want. Each clip appear as a block. You can trim, split, and move around. Think of the timeline as your history, arrange it so your video flows smoothly. Think of the timeline as your history. You just need to be arrange it so your video flows smoothly. Now let's talk about trim and split clips. How you can do it. Let's zoom it. Like I just need to be select that one from that place. So I'll select that one, and now you can see I'm doing the zoom. So trimming actually remove unwanted parts from the start or end of the clip. You can click on a clip in the timeline. Let's say I will click over here, and here you can see it already been pasted in that place. And now you just need to drag the edge inward to trim. So once you did, then here into the top you will get this trim button. You just need to be hit over here. Once you did, now you can actually easily cut this video from that clip. So it is an easy one. Like here you just need to be cut it like this way, and here you can see the time already been changes. So I'm going to make it 3.5, and once it just click done, and here you can see the video length already been changed. Now splitting lets you cut a clip into two parts. You just need to select the clip, move the playhead to where you want to cut, and click split. This scissor icon, like here, let's do it. Like here you just need to place it here, and then you just need to be like this one, and then here you can see this is the split one. You just need to be click this one, and you can see that the clip already become two parts in here. Now here is this is useful for removing mistake or inserting other content. Now let's talk about how you can add text and titles into the clip. So you just need to click over here to the text, and then you just need to choose from simple heading or animated text template. So I'm going to add this simple one, so I will drag and drop in here, and then you just need to change your font, style, size, and color. I will say that don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Here, I will change the font. Here, I'll make this font. Then I'll change the color. So here, you can change all of them you want in that place. Also, you can add animations. So it's an amazing one. It's true and great thing. Now you can use text for titles, captions, or call to actions in here. Now let's talk about transitions and effects. So there is a clip I have, so I am going to add that clip also in my video. Maybe I think I will add that one. So I will place it here as you can see it. Then let's pause the audio. So here I already pause it, and I'm going to delete this clip, and I also do the split one. So here you can see, and from this one like this to this, I'm going to add a transition to make your video smooth and add transition between clips. So you just need to click the plus icon. Like here you will see the plus icon, like this add transition. You just need to click over here and select the transition like fade, slide, or circle white. You can adjust the speed. So from that one I am going to add this magic move, or you can add this flow. I think that this one will be the quite good one, so I will add this, and let's play this one. And here you can see it is working perfectly. I already add this transitions. You can adjust the speed and instant. You can also apply video effect like filter, brackets, adjustment, or blur for creative touch. Now I'm going to add music or voiceover. So go to audio. You just need to go to the audio, and here we have a couple of audio, like you can play it, and you can see that the audio working perfectly. Also you can add your voiceover in here, like you can record voiceover. You just need to click this one, and once you click over here, then you will get the options like recording. You just need to click to this one, and 3 2 1, the voice record will be began from that place, and it will be recorded here. You can actually see it. So when you feel that your voice recording is finished, you could just need to click over here this finish button, and it already been added in your Canva platform. It is an amazing one for newbies who don't even know the editing one. Let's play this one, and you will find out that your audio is working perfectly. So that is amazing for me. Now I'm going to add element, stickers, and animations. Canva makes videos more engaging with the elements like search for icon shapes or sticker. Let's say I will click over here to the element, and from that I'm going to add these shapes. You can add graphics, like here I will add that one, and let's change the color, and you can see that I already add these shapes in here. You can drag them to the video and position where needed. Animate them with bounce, pop, or slide from motion's graphic effect. You just need to click over here to the animate, and here we have this fade, blur, rise, then storm, pulse, and many more like baseline. So I am going to add this wiggle one. It is a little bit good one, so that's why I add this. So now before we finish this, if you found that this is okay, then you just need to be export this one. Like let's watch the video. As you can see, it is working perfectly. So I'm going to export this one, or you can check the preview where you will see a whole video in your desktop. So before extracting, you just need to play to preview your video. Make sure transition or smooth audio is balanced and text is readable. And when you are happy, you just need to click share, then just click over here and then click to the download, and from that you just need to choose your file type will be MP4 video, and then you just need to be select this one, and the quality will be 1080p, and just click hit this download button. Once you did, then it will take a couple of minutes and it will be downloaded in here. So now let's give you a pro tips for better videos. Here are some quick tips that keep clips short and engaging, and use consistent fonts and colors for branding, and balance your audio levels so music does not overlap the speech, and you can add subtitles to make your video more accessible. And that's how you can edit videos in Canva from start to finish. Canva's video editor is beginner friendly but still powerful enough to create professional content for social media, YouTube, or marketing. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more content creation tips, and comment below your favorite Canva video features. Thanks for watching.